We are pleased to show you the 2023 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.